Hey YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick Boxy unboxing because I got my Boxycharm, and I just wanted to do a quick disclaimer. I did not intend for my channel just to be an unboxing channel, and my Back to the Boxes is very late, but I love unboxing makeup, and I love makeup, but everything has been so crazy for me recently because I have a full-time job and a part-time job, one of which is a freelance makeup artist, and the problem with that is that it's wedding season, so things are pretty freaking cray right now. So I'm very interested in a lot of things. I love bullet journaling. I'm obsessed with plants. If you guys can't tell, I have plants everywhere. So I wanted to just start to incorporate like more fashion and plant videos and bullet journaling videos so I don't feel like so pigeonholed into makeup, but I also do love makeup. So of course this channel is going to be mostly makeup, but I just wanted to like add a little bit more of myself into it. I'm a freelance photographer as well, and I just feel like it's more fun to just talk about everything I love to do as opposed to just I love makeup. But I do love subscriptions, and I do love unboxing, and I do love Boxycharm. So this is my May Boxycharm unboxing. I just love unboxings because like today I dropped $200 some on makeup for my kit. I feel like all of the money I make just goes towards my kit, whereas I feel like my unboxings are more for me. It's like fun, cool makeup I get to test out that I wouldn't normally buy. And also I found some pretty banging products to use for my brides and Boxycharm to use, so let's get into it. First of all, Boxycharm is in a weird shape this month. It's oblong. I mean, I think they're starting to make the boxes a little bit smaller, if you ask me. It's like the size of a 1990s cellular device. Let's bust this puppy open. Burn. I have so many plants behind me and you guys can't even tell because they're not even in the frame. I love plants. Are you guys into plants? Let me know if you're into plants. I know it's like a whole like millennial cool YouTuber thing to do to be into plants. However, my mom was is a horticulturist, so growing up my whole house was just plants. So I tried to fight the urge to ever buy plants because there were so many in my house growing up and so many in my bedroom growing up. Like as a kid, my mom's spider plant was so long, it was on the end of my bed. I remember hating it, but anyway, now that I finally got this open, let's get into Boxycharm. So it looks like we have a Make Waves is the theme. And the first thing I see here is, whoa, this is huge. It is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So that is a cleanser in a holographic unicorn-esque box. This seems pretty huge, if I do say so myself. Oh wow, this is big. So I just got a cleanser. Yes, I know my Back to the Boxes is so late, but I got a cleanser in one of my Ipsies, and it was like this big too. So I am good on the cleanser front. So that's pretty cool. I mean, when you put makeup on, you always need ways to take it off. So that is $28. Next I have the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It's in this cute little pink box. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, that's actually like pretty cool. I've been getting a lot of like very, I don't know, like shiny things lately. So I guess this is like a liquid eyeshadow. My monitor just died, so please forgive me if it seems like I'm all over the place. But this is like a pink. It is such like a duochrome to gold. It's kind of insane. Pulls mostly gold, and that's a pretty cool color. It's very like mermaid-esque almost, but that's kind of cool. I don't really know how it's beachy themed, but I guess like a bright color on the lid is beachy. So the Ciate London is $22, an eyeshadow topper. Next is Dose of Colors. I love Dose of Colors, and this is in the color Bittersweet. Do I have this color? So this is a liquid matte lipstick. So actually they're never true. I feel like, do I have this? Sorry guys, I just wanted to compare because I got the color in my box called Bittersweet. I already own the color called Coral Crush. I thought they were super similar, so let's see. Yeah, this is a red. Dose's Colors is red, and I love red lipstick, so no problem there. And then this is, yeah, they're different colors. I love the Dose formula. I actually think it's not the most that I'm wearing, but it's super comfortable. I love the packaging. I mean, it looks super similar. One is a little more of a bright orange red, and the other is a little more of the blue toned red. Blue toned red is Bittersweet, the one I got in my box. So Now my cat's gonna go to the bathroom. Glad I got that because sometimes that bright orange can be a little unwearable, especially in like the winter time. Not that there's makeup rules, you know that, but you know, sometimes a blue-based classic red is a little more comfortable than like, hey, look at my coral crazy lipstick. Next in my box, I have the Bodyography Midnight Blue eye pencil. All right, I'm going to admit I'm sick of freaking getting eyeliners in my Boxy, especially like a blue pencil liner. Yeah, like this quality, I give it like an F-. I mean, I'm not always looking for a black eyeliner, but navy blue could definitely be cool. I've been more into like deep emeralds and greens and, you know, bronze eyeliners, but this just isn't that quality to me. This doesn't seem like the most special eyeliner. Like, of course I'll try it, but it's just like your average, it feels like, you know, an old school Wet n Wild formula eyeliner that you used to get back in the day, and I'm very confused. This says Bodyography eyeliner pencil, and it says Midnight Blue eye pencil, but it says on my card, this vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. It says eyeliner pencil up here, it says eye pencil on here, but the explanation calls it a lip pencil. I don't know if I'd be going for navy blue lips. Don't think so. However, there's always that one product that you think Boxycharm just throws in there like, oh, gotta make the limit, let's throw it in. This pencil. This is the Boxycharm pencil. Ugh. And last but not least, we have, starting to be one of Boxy's butt buddies like Pure, Alamar Cosmetics. Hold on, this is a Colorette Blush Trio in Fair to Light. So, yeehaw, I got the right color. Now let's see these colors. I like the packaging, it's pretty. Okay, these are beautiful. I can definitely tell the one in the middle is going to be my favorite, but you can see there's two pretty similar ones. There's Castaway, which is like a light shimmery orange. We have Paraiso, which is like almost like a matte pink. And then we have Scorcher, which is kind of like a little more bright of a coral. Let me see how these swatch. They're nice and smooth. This one's pretty orange. This is definitely, that pink one is definitely up my alley. I mean, the oranges are pretty similar, but I think there's more shimmer and a little bit more orange in Scorcher. But that pink blush in Paraiso, I have no idea how to say it. It's Castaway, Scorcher, and Paraiso. They always gotta throw in one whack one in there. But that's that with my shit-ass eyeliner pencil. But I am excited about the blush trio. I love blushes, love getting blushes. Especially it's nice to have like an orangey, shimmery shade to the cheeks in the summer. All right, and this Alamar trio, I believe it said it was $22. So I'm excited about the blush trio. Not too into the eye pencil, I will say that. Totally into the Dose. This is probably my favorite product that came in the box, is the blush palette and the Dose of colors. The cleanser I can definitely use. It's awesome. It's from Glam Glow. And then there's also the Ciate, which I've been getting a lot of like shimmery eyeshadows lately in my boxes. So I need to chill out with those a little bit. But other than that, like, I definitely give this box a solid 7 out of 10. I think there's a lot of products in here I'm excited to try. There's a lot of products in here I'm excited to just have because I know I love them already. And I can definitely test the products and be excited. I'm excited, except for the eye pencil. Except for that goddamn token Boxycharm eye pencil. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you soon in a couple of, like, you know, obviously makeup videos, but like plant and bullet journaling videos too, because that's what I like to do. That's that, and thanks for coming along with this little Boxycharm ride for me. Have a great one, guys. Bye.